Wake up, it's news time, folks. We've got a jam-packed show for you today, and I'm excited to dive into the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. From a US government perspective to some thrilling developments in the mining and investing space, we're covering it all. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. We start the day with the news that the US government won't be starting its Bitcoin reserve until other countries take action. According to crypto entrepreneur Mike Alfred, the US will wait for external pressure to follow suit. This piece of news has left some wondering if the US is trailing behind in the adoption of cryptocurrency. Moving on to more positive news, Canaan, a leading Bitcoin mining hardware manufacturer, has seen its stock surge 20% after reporting a significant increase in revenue for the third quarter. The company's Q3 revenue has doubled compared to last year, driven by strong demand for Bitcoin miners. This development suggests a growing interest in cryptocurrency mining and a positive outlook for the industry. Another notable development is Bitfury's pivot from a mining-focused business to one that prioritizes investing in emerging technologies. The company will launch a $1 billion tech fund, which will be used to invest in startups in the fields of ethical, AI, and crypto-related projects. Now let's move on to some interesting market analysis. According to a crypto executive, Bitcoin's average gains in November may be misleading due to skewed numbers. While the currency has seen gains on average, this figure may not accurately reflect market performance. In other news, a congressional ally of former US President Trump, Brandon Gill, has made significant investments in Bitcoin. According to House Transaction Reports, Gill has purchased up to $2.6 million worth of Bitcoin this year alone. This substantial investment is a notable example of the growing interest in cryptocurrency among lawmakers and politicians. Kraken, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, has raised $800 million in funding at a valuation of $20 billion. Key investors in this round include Citadel Securities, a prominent Wall Street firm, which contributed $200 million. The funding is seen as a step towards a potential initial public offering IPO for Kraken. Crypto everywhere, and that's because blockchain is everywhere. Speaking of that, did you hear about the address that went to therapy because it had too many forks? It was a real gas crisis. In Blockchain Bytes, we bring you the latest and greatest in crypto, Web3, and blockchain humor. Today we have: why did the blockchain go to the party? Because it had a hash of fun. Alright folks, that's it for Blockchain Bytes. Stay tuned for more. Back to our recap. Bitcoin billionaire Arthur Hayes believes that Bitcoin's value may plunge to the low $80 zeros, attributing this potential downturn to a contraction in dollar liquidity. Despite this, Hayes predicts a strong recovery, with Bitcoin possibly reaching as high as $250,000 by the end of the year. A man who used the alias Shriek has pleaded guilty to helping steal over $263 million in cryptocurrency. According to authorities, the stolen funds were used to purchase luxury items, including exotic cars. As we know, crypto companies require access to traditional banking services to operate smoothly. They need corporate banking accounts to pay employees, secure storage for funds, and quick access to liquidity when needed. Without these services, running a crypto company would be challenging, if not impossible. Crypto losses have reached $161 million in April, with 4 alarming trends emerging that require immediate attention. Notable crypto crimes in April include private key exploits, flash loan attacks, smart contract exploits, and the rise of supply chain attacks. North Korean hackers part of the state-sponsored group EPT43, have been using stolen cryptocurrency to mine more cryptocurrency through cloud services. This is a sophisticated money laundering trick that allows them to transform dirty coins into new, untainted ones. Finally, let's talk about Oracle manipulation, a type of cyber attack that has led to significant losses in the DeFi space. In 2022, Oracle manipulation resulted in $219.6 million in losses, affecting various DeFi platforms, including algorithmic market makers and yield optimizers. Well, folks, that's a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed the latest news and analysis from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Remember to stay safe and vigilant in the decentralized finance ecosystem and blockchain world. Until next time, stay crypto savvy and keep those coins secure. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow us for all the latest updates and insights in the crypto space.